So this video is for all my home inspectors out there. So we get a lot of business from home inspection companies who go out and check houses and notice that there's some movement going on. And they basically recommend us to go out and do an evaluation. They'll recommend us to the homeowners or buyers or sellers or whoever's involved. And we go out and inspect a lot of these houses. So this video in particular goes out to all of you home inspectors. I'm actually going to be putting a Facebook group together. And honestly, I think we've already created it. I just haven't put any stuff into it yet. But what I want to do is I want to get my Facebook group full of home inspectors, and I want to start training you guys on things that you can look for, how to shoot elevation, when to know that there is actually an issue, and just to help educate you so you can do your job better, but B, take care of the customers better. And C, maybe add another tool to your tool belt. Might be something that you're not offering today to your customers. I think it's a huge benefit. I tell every customer I talk to, if they're looking at buying, selling a house in the future, always get it inspected. And I tell them, try to hire an inspector who shoots elevations, because it helps. It benefits the owner, because there's a lot of home inspectors out there who do not check the houses and or the foundation on the houses, and then the report they'll just put minor discrepancies or something like that, and then we recommend you get a licensed contractor out to do an inspection. And it kind of affects the buyer. I'm dealing with one that I went to yesterday, and that's exactly what happened to them. And they took it that everything was good. They didn't need to get anything done. And I go out there, within 5 minutes, I find there's some major issues at this house, and we're having to get an engineer out there. So they just bought the house this year in May or April of 2025. And so I just want to try to help, try to educate. We're blessed. We stay busy no matter what, because there's so much foundation repair issues around. So we always have work, but I'm just trying to help maybe lessen the curve where there's so many homeowners that are buying properties that have foundation issues and they didn't know, or maybe they were told. But I think having some more knowledge for a home inspector, if you're a home inspector, is good stuff. I think shooting elevations on these properties is good for you. I think putting a drawing on your inspections showing the elevations is good for you. I think it's important. I think it could save you headaches. It could save you lawsuits. I think it could improve your business and make you more valuable. So I'm putting that together. If you are a home inspector, friend me and message me. And if you'd like to join the group, and I'll get you put in it. And I look forward to meeting more of you guys and hopefully helping your businesses grow as you become more valuable to the consumer. Y'all have a good day.